Becoming a Texan may just change your family tree. My parents made the bold decision to move here when I was just 4 years old, and man, I am so grateful that one decision changed the lives of myself and my brother and sister, and we are still here in Texas. As a Texan, you can feel proud of the state that you live in and feel the freedom both financially as well as making some of the most important decisions of your life. So congratulations on being so brave and taking the very first step on your journey to finding a home in the best state in the entire United States of America. Real quick, let me share 3 steps to launch your new adventure to Texas. So congratulations, you made it to step number 1, which is filling out the Dream Home Questionnaire. At the end of it, you're going to click the submit button. Then in about 10 minutes, you will receive an email from me with a link to step number 2. Step number 2 is book a buyer consultation with me to help narrow down some of the best areas for your family. And you can ask me anything you like about Texas. And step 3 is to book your buyer orientation with one of my fabulous buyer associates. In this buyer orientation, this is where you will learn what it will take to get you from where you are now to moving into your new home as a Texan. Thank you so much for choosing the Dana Pollard Group to be your guide to becoming a Texan. I look forward to meeting you personally.